Hi, Iris from Malaya Corporate here. Today we'll show you how to use our customer portal. Before we begin, please note that this portal is specially designed for Malaya Corporate clients to track tasks, monitor deadlines, and stay updated with corporate news. 1. How to access the portal. You can access the portal by visiting our website, www.malayacorporate.com. 2. Inside the portal, here's what you'll find inside. Announcement. We'll post all important announcements here. Make sure to check it regularly. My Company. Click on My Company to view your company's documents. All your latest tasks and updates will also appear here. If you have multiple companies, they will all be linked under one account. You'll be able to view director and shareholder details, incorporation date, key deadlines, SSM documents, account statements. 3. Task request. To request a task, simply click Task Request, fill in the details, and submit. We will receive an email notification, and the progress will be updated inside the portal, so both you and our team can monitor everything in one place. 4. Monthly video and premium content. Every month, we'll upload new videos. Some content is premium, meaning it's not public and only our clients can view it. 5. Newsletter. We also provide a newsletter filled with the latest corporate updates. Just click the link provided to start reading. 6. Updates and announcements. Stay tuned to this section for important updates and announcements. 7. Extra feature. Dark mode. Prefer a darker look? You can switch to dark mode anytime for a more comfortable viewing experience. That's all for now. We will continue to update this portal from time to time to serve you better. Thank you for being part of Malaya Corporate.